Hi friends, welcome to Techno Leadership Insights. People tend to have different views on what is best for their career. While some are passionate about their field of interest and want to be known as experts in their field, some want to pursue management career. While some others want to be free birds, living on their terms. Of course, there are many other equally compelling perspectives as well. It's important to understand different perspectives so that one can make informed choice knowing fully well its implications. After all, the perspective we hold significantly influence decisions we make throughout our career. In previous videos, I shared perspective of a goal seeker who believes in single-minded focus on career goals. A believer in destiny who takes life as it unfolds, doing best he can every day. An expert who pursues field of his passion, and a manager who wants to climb through management hierarchy. Today, I'll share perspective of a free bird who wants to live life on his own terms. Now, listen to Mr. Azad as he explains his career perspective. I want freedom to choose how I work, from when and where I work. I understand there will be many restrictions if one is working in a factory. But for IT engineer like me, many of the restrictions like need to be present in office at specific time, attend regular meetings, produce weekly reports, present weekly status, etc. does not make any sense. Even when I work in a company, I see myself as a freelancer doing my work independently, delivering quality output on agreed timelines. Anything beyond that is unnecessary restriction, which stifles my creativity, energy, and enthusiasm. Some of my colleagues take designations and promotions too seriously. They believe organizations provide some sort of ladder to climb, say technical ladder, management ladder, etc. I feel these are very old concepts. In today's environment, everything changes rapidly. Manager may say you are very valuable asset one day and fire you the very next day. Concept of job security does not exist anymore. So what is the point of designations, promotions and so-called career ladders? I think only my technical capabilities can provide me job security. If I am good at what I do, even if my current employer does not need me, I can find 10 other employers willing to hire me. That is why I say I consider myself as a freelancer rather than a permanent employee. I care about what I do, whether my work content is challenging and gives me opportunity to upgrade my skills, and whether I am paid well. Anything beyond that is not important. Some of my colleagues feel working at headquarters or close to their boss will be advantageous. I feel exactly the opposite. I want to work away from the boss. When you are close to your boss, there is higher scope for micromanagement. The farther you are, freer you become. I don't mind. Rather, I prefer to work in remote location with smaller number of employees than in headquarters with thousands of people. Unlike many of my colleagues, I am not very keen on promotion if it involves taking responsibility for others' work. I want to work independently. Growth for me is not about taking responsibility for more people. Rather, it is the ability to do more challenging work and take end to end responsibility for delivery. When I am able to do very challenging work, naturally I will command higher salary. That is why I feel great when people recognize my achievements and have testimonials to showcase them. Earlier, I used to work for another company. 2 years back, I got promoted to a management position there. Initially, I felt good. As days went by, I started to get frustrated. I had to attend lots of meetings, track and report progress daily, attend to problems faced by people reporting to me. With all this, I could hardly focus on my work. It was too stressful and frustrating. Finally, after 6 months into new role, I resigned and joined this company. Ultimately, I see myself becoming a reputed consultant, working for many clients. I may even start my own professional services firm. I would rather work for myself than another employer. Working for an employer is a kind of slavery. I want to live freely, like a free bird. Now, how does your career perspective compare with that of Mr. Azad. Out of 5 career perspectives we have seen so far, namely a goal seeker, believer in destiny, an expert, a manager, and a free bird, which one matches with your own? Or do you hold a perspective totally different from all these? I'll share few more perspectives in coming weeks. Meanwhile, do share your thoughts and experiences in comment section. Thanks for watching. See you next time.